Megha from FunkyMix.com and welcome to my channel. This was a request from a reader to show you how I store my jewelry. So basically today I'm making this video on how I store my jewelry as well as my cosmetics, my sarees, basically all about organizers. So let's start. First of all, let's talk about jewelry. I store my artificial jewelry in zip pouches and plastic boxes like these. These packets and boxes come with the jewelry usually, and I never throw out the plastic zip pouches that come with the artificial jewelry because this is the one which saves it from being deteriorated with time, like these plastic packets, these plastic zip pouches. Please make sure never to throw out these plastic packets because these are the ones which will save jewelry from getting black or getting deteriorated with time. This is how I store it, and I've never experienced my jewelry getting worn out with time. So I advise you to keep your all the jewelries inside the plastic packets. And then I have got these beautiful zip pouches, plastic pouches from the jeweler, from which I buy my artificial jewelry, and I have asked him to give me extra of these. So these are really handy. You can see the jewelry, and then these type of plastic boxes you get from any jeweler from where you buy your artificial jewelry. So I keep these jewelry stacked one above the other, and this is how I store it. Next are the bangles. I store my bangles in the boxes like these, which again come with artificial bangles. But again, first I make sure to keep them inside a plastic packet, and then I keep them inside this circular box. And this is how I store my bangles one above the other. And this way you save them from getting worn out from a long time. So I highly recommend you to keep all the jewelry inside plastic zip pouches. Then for the daily earrings, I have bought this organizer, this beautiful, amazing organizer which has these sections from where I can keep different earrings, and these are my daily wear earrings which I have to pick like earlier it was like a big mess, and now it has become so organized. I just love it. I bought it from Amazon.in, and I again first keep it inside these small zip pouches which you can find anywhere, and then I keep it inside the different sections, and this is how I store my and organize my artificial earrings for my daily use. Next, for the jewelry, I have a pouch like this which has like different sections. You can zip it, you can open the zip and keep your earrings or your necklaces in the different sections. This is great when you are traveling. I always keep this with me whenever I'm traveling. I keep my earrings in one section, then my statement pieces other, then the bracelets, and this is a great jewelry organizer for travel. And I got this from a local shop. You can get it anywhere. Then coming to sarees, I store my sarees in bags like these. These are really handy bags. These are transparent at the top, and you have a zip at the side. And I keep my saree, petticoat and blouse, a pair of this in a packet, a plastic packet in which the saree generally comes. And then I keep two pair in one bag. And this is how I organize my sarees and keep all these bags in my bed box. And in this way you can store the work of a saree for a long time. Your zari, your kundan or your gundamati work will not get worn out with time, and these packets, the plastic packet, will really save your sarees. So I highly recommend you to keep your sarees in packets, and then these type of organizing bags which generally cost you around 70 to 80 rupees, and these are great. Then for the lipsticks and the cosmetics, I organize my lipsticks in a plastic box like this. This is the organizer from Home Center which cost me around 100, and it has these different sections so that you can keep your lipsticks there, and these come really handy for your daily use, kajals, lipsticks and all, and I really like it, so you can go for it. Then for the nail polishes, I keep my nail polishes in a pouch like this. This is so cute pouch which I got from Lifestyle. It came in a combination of three, a bigger, smaller and smaller, and I keep all my nail pens in this, and this is like really handy and I like it. So you can organize your nail polishes like this, whatever way you like it. So girls, this is all about how I organize my jewelry, my bangles, earrings, my lipsticks and my nail polishes. I hope you like this video, and do tell me if you have any special request. I'll make a video on that. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like, and do subscribe my channel. Feel beautiful, be